UP Pep Squad continuing to cheer on their team. Doesn't matter if they still have that 0-11 win-loss card. They will be there to support the Lady Maroons, rain or shine. But all things sunny for De La Salle University here in UAAP Season 74. But then again, historically, La Salle has, if you look at it in any way, not been able to sweep the elimination round, because in the previous 3 seasons, they have finished with 13-1 win-loss records. Of course, all that matters is the 2 championships that they have won in that span of time, winning it in Season 71 against FEU, and then last year, of course, in a sweep of the finals against UST. And speaking of championships, I would like to congratulate Ramil De Jesus, who is also the coach of the De La Salle Zobel girls team. They have recently captured the UAAP Season 74 girls volleyball tournament crown. So congratulations to Coach Ramil. Sabi na sa akin kanina, he didn't even attend their victory party last night because his voice, medyo paus daw siya, so he had to rest.
Congratulations to the girls team.
Of course, it would be a happier treat, another treat for Coach Ramil if he can deliver another championship to this women's volleyball team of La Salle. South Ramos checking into the game here in the second set. South Ramos, of course, still recovering from that ankle injury that she suffered a couple of games ago. Had to be carried off the court, actually. Oh, error there on the serve by Abad.
Abigail Maranyo to serve for De La Salle.
Oh, service ace there for Abby Maranyo. Tew wasn't able to get there in time.
You know, this has been the same problem that Coach Jared has been pointing out all throughout the season, and so far it's still, you know, it's still haunting the girls. Parang kaya nagkakaroon ng malaking lamang ang La Salle, kaya hindi rin nakaka-opensa yung UP. It's mainly because they're having difficulty in service reception.
And Coach Jared is also having difficulties in terms of the type of rotation he puts in on the floor, because Tew wasn't really the main libero for this team. It was actually Diane Cuevas. So Coach Jarrell trying to shuffle his lineup a little bit. We don't even see their best player, Araneta, on the floor right now. But then again, this season is already in the books for Coach Jarrod. They will not make it to the Final Four. So he's just trying to give the rest of the players on his team a chance to show what they can do and try to build for next season. Too strong on that reception. It goes right back. Tew able to keep that one alive. We have to credit her for that. Oh, but Michelle Gumabao, just too smart.
She made it look very simple. Look at this. One drop right behind the blocker.
Tew unable to get there in time. Gumabao just positioning her fingers so that the ball would go towards the right. Another point for La Salle. And they are having an even better set here in set number 2 as they are up 16-3.